In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ad reporting in Segmetrics. By the end, you'll have your ad accounts connected, your tracking aligned, and a clean report you can save and revisit anytime. Start by opening your browser and searching for Segmetrics. Click the official website in the results to head to the home page. From there, select Login and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, usually in the top navigation. Click that, then choose Integrations. This is where you connect Segmetrics to the ad platforms you use so your spend and performance data can flow into your reports. Find your advertising platform in the list and click Connect. If you manage multiple ad accounts, take a moment to confirm you're connecting the correct one. Next, follow the on-screen OAuth prompts to authorize Segmetrics to access your ad account data. You'll see a standard permission screen from your ad platform. Approve the requested access so Segmetrics can read performance metrics. It's best to use an account with the proper permissions to avoid partial data later. Segmetrics requires a specific ad ID parameter to be attached to your ad URLs. This parameter is essential because it ties each click and lead back to the exact ad that drove it, allowing Segmetrics to match your ad spend to individual lead revenue. Make sure your ad URLs include that ad ID parameter using your ad platform's URL or tracking template settings. Keeping this consistent across campaigns prevents gaps in attribution and ensures your revenue metrics are accurate. With your integration set and tracking parameter in place, go to the left sidebar in your Segmetrics dashboard and click Ad Reporting. Give the data a moment to populate if this is your first connection. Now refine what you see. Use the plus Ad Report filter button to narrow results by date range, specific campaigns, or customer segments. Filters help you answer focused questions, like how a launch performed this month or which audience is driving the best revenue per lead. Next, choose which columns to display. Select the metrics that matter most to you: spend, clicks, cost per lead, revenue, or ROS, and hide anything that clutters your view. Organizing your columns makes the report easier to scan and faster to act on. Finally, click Save at the top, give your report a clear name, and choose a time span. A static time span locks in a fixed date range for historical snapshots, while a rolling time span automatically updates, like the last 7 or 30 days. Pick the one that fits your workflow, and you're done.